Hi everyone and welcome back. It's ice cream season and I've got an amazing clotted cream ice cream for you. This clotted cream ice cream takes less than 5 minutes to make. I use the no-churn method so you can whip it up in no time. Okay everyone, let's get ice cream making. The two main ingredients for this ice cream are double cream and condensed milk. Whip up the double cream to soft peaks. It doesn't take long. That looks perfect. To this we're going to add vanilla extract and condensed milk and whip up again until it's nice and thick. The vanilla extract helps the cream not to freeze rock solid. The ice cream is now at the stage where you can add your own flavours. Now it's time to add our flavour and we're using clotted cream. I've got two fabulous recipes on my channel for homemade clotted cream, so no excuses for not making it. Mix the clotted cream in gently and it's perfectly fine to add in the lovely yellow crust from the clotted cream. That's it, all done. Time to get this into a tin. I'm using a 2-pound loaf tin and just pour it in. Tap on the work surface a few times to remove air bubbles. Cover with cling wrap. This prevents ice crystals from forming in the ice cream. The ice cream needs to go into the freeze for at least 6 hours. When you're ready to serve, remove the cling wrap and allow to stand for 5 minutes. Use an ice cream scoop to get a nice big scoop. To get the best scoop, pop your ice cream scoop into room temperature water. There's lots of options with this clotted cream ice cream. You could add some chocolate chips, swirl in some caramel, or even chop up your favourite chocolate bar and add it. Finish off with your favourite toppings, syrup, or even better, both. I'm going for these fabulous funfetti sprinkles. I love how colourful they are on the ice cream. This clotted cream is so creamy, delicious, and the great thing about it is that anyone can make it and enjoy it. Let me know if you try out this ice cream in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my easy to follow tutorials. Happy baking everyone!